Heat illness can be prevented. Take time to know what's taking place in the environment that you're in. Look at the National Weather Service. See if there are going to be weather events that you should be concerned with. Make sure that the individuals that are working out in the field have everything that they need, that they have water, that they have tents for shading or whatever, that they have the training that's required for them to be able to respond to a heat-related event. If somebody on your work crew starts showing signs of heat illness, one of the first things that you should do is call 911 and get professional medical assistance on site where you're at. Treat the individual, perform first aid to the best of your ability, provide them shading, give the individuals water if they're not vomiting, and try as best you possibly can to cool the individual down by pouring water over their body, loosen their clothing. If you have ice available, pack the ice around the individual. Now, this is good information to know not only for the workplace but also for home. When you have high heat, such as we're experiencing today, make sure that you reach out and check on your elderly neighbors and ensure that children and pets stay hydrated. OSHA is an excellent additional resource to find information on what to do and how to prevent heat illness. They have an excellent application that you can download for your smartphone that shows you how to compute what the heat index would be for the area that you're at and what preventive measures you should take. Extreme heat pushes the body past its normal limits. Remember, water, rest, shade. Heat kills.